Once you've dialed in the wheels, tires, suspension, and seats on your track car, the very next thing you need to do is the steering wheel. And this one has a few tricks up its sleeve. Introducing the pinnacle of racing innovation, the Werks Madtrace steering wheel system for BMW's F chassis. By ditching the wires, this steering wheel has introduced a whole new level of convenience to the racing experience. The adapter hub has been integrated into the quick release mechanism made from aircraft-grade 7075T aluminum. As for the installation, it's super simple. Pop off the airbag, disconnect it along with the steering wheel wires, and unbolt the steering wheel. Then assemble your new steering wheel and install the 3 segments one at a time. DCT models come equipped with the highly coveted magnetic paddle shifter modules, while both aluminum and carbon fiber paddle shifters are both included as standard issue. In contrast to other racing steering wheel systems that rely on the factory control module, this one has its own integrated circuit board that communicates through the DME, allowing for this easy plug-and-play install that won't trigger any faults or requires any coding. In addition, all factory steering wheel functions will be maintained, as well as 2 free use buttons that can be programmed to your liking. These buttons, along with the rest, are LED backlit and can be adjusted based on the factory controls and sensors. Once it's installed, you can't help but to press all the buttons and dials. Then once you get to the paddle shifters, it's a night and day difference comparing them to OEM. And of course, you have to try that seamless quick release feature of your Werks Madtrace steering wheel on your BMW. Now that your racing steering wheel is in, it's time to add some power or dial in your suspension, which you can check out in these videos. And we'll see you in that one.